Alright guys, I'm going to do a code start video on my 2000 XR80. So, made a video about this a while ago, and quality wasn't too good. Promised I'd make one of better quality, so 2 years later, here we go. I haven't started up in probably about 3 months. I probably would have waited till a colder day, but I'm supposed to get some seriously inclement weather here shortly, so I won't have time to take it out. I'm just going to start it up. Alright, probably 3 months. So, yeah. Oh, wait. It's probably about, I don't know, like 60 degrees or 72 or something like that. Give or take 4. So, it's not too cool, but yeah, it hasn't been raining in a while, so we'll see how it goes. Sorry if my dogs start barking like that. They should be calmed down by the time I get out there. So I'm going to go ahead and put it up, start her up, and we'll get to it. So that was it. Sorry for the dogs barking, but I didn't want to talk very much because I didn't want my neighbors thinking I'm like talking to myself because they're out and it's real quiet out. So it'd sound kind of weird if I'm like talking. I don't know. But anyway, so that didn't do too bad for not being ran in 3 months. I'm thinking of maybe getting out of here shortly. The winter's coming in, so the field back there opened up some to cut down the corn, so I should be good. Anything else? I don't know. Probably just got the gas is probably going a little bit bad in it, or stale, I guess, because it hasn't run, like I said, for 3 months. But other than that, it runs fine. If I ride it a little bit more, I'm probably gonna change the oil and just do some maintenance on it. Other than that, it's a pretty nice bike. I'll probably need a good big room. I'm about riding enough for that, so maybe eventually. So thanks for watching. Check out the other videos.